Hello and welcome to my channel, and my name is Aziz and I'm a digital media teacher in London. Today I'm going to talk about what's in my teacher bag. So here's my teacher bag right here. Yep, including a keeping safe here. Let's see what's inside my teacher bag. So this is my teacher bag. We've got these, my Bluetooth earpods, not Apple, no. And then we have my laptop here, Apple. And then, let's see what we've got here. Yes, this. Never go out anywhere without this. This is my diary, where I keep all the dates, students' names, in case the register isn't working or my login details aren't working. This is a lifesaver. Organize your day, and also write meetings, take notes in meetings. Great help. Invest in one. If you don't have one, get one. Next is my pens. Yeah, don't get anywhere without your pens. You need something to write with. And I have a mouse. There you go, mouse inside my bag. I've got one of these adapter things for my MacBook Pro. It's got all the ports there, as you can see, right here. What else do we have? Oh, we've got another USB-C here, right here, USB 3, USB-C, and you can put your SD cards and your micro SD cards here. Not sure if you can see it. There you go. There it is. And you need to carry plenty of these. Make sure you carry plenty of these. These are USB sticks. Always come in handy. I've got one here. 16 gig, I think. Ooh, 16 gig. This is a couple of years old now. This is from a gift from my student when I left. Yoda stick, yeah. And what's this? Hand cream. Moisturize hand. Note taking. Notebook. Let's see, what else do we have? Another USB-C stick. So my lips get really dry, so I just put one of these in. Carry one of those. What else do we have? Another data transfer. Okay. And then I have my ID cards for my college that I work at. Paracetamol always helps. And I've got another hand gel right here. Yeah? You can never be too safe. So, in a nutshell, that's what's inside my teacher bag. This is what I carry on a day-to-day basis, and it really helps me organize myself, my work, and helps me to teach more efficiently with my students. What's in your teacher bag? Leave a comment below, subscribe, and let me know. Bye for now.